Hi friends, in this lecture we see Bravais lattice. Generally Bravais lattices are divided into two types, that is 2D Bravais lattices and 3D Bravais lattices. The concept of Bravais lattices are invented by the scientist Bravais in 1848. Bravais lattices are invented by the scientist Bravais in 1848. There are 5 types of two-dimensional Bravais lattices and 14 types of three-dimensional Bravais lattices. That is, 3D Bravais lattices are divided into 14 types. So, broad question असायचा याच्यावर. First we see about 2D Bravais lattices. Two-dimensional Bravais lattices are divided into 5 types. That is, oblique lattice, square lattice, rectangular lattice, centered rectangular lattice, and hexagonal lattice. These are the 5 types of 2D Bravais lattices. Okay, these two-dimensional Bravais lattices are described with the help of two cubages, two sides. That is, sides A and B, cubages A and B, or sides A and B, and interfacial angle between them, there is phi. Sides A and B and interfacial angle between them, there is phi. First we see about oblique lattice. In oblique lattice, two sides are not equal. Also they are not at right angle each other. At a right angle with each other, that is the main condition of oblique lattice is A is not equal to B. A and B are the sides. A is not equal to B and angle between them is not equal to 90 degree. So multiple choice ला कंडिशन विचारली जाते. ओके, तर कंडिशन सगळ्या ह्या 5 आणि तुमच्या 3D Bravais latticeच्या कंडिशन लक्षात ठेवायच्या. ओके, तर oblique latticeची कंडिशन काय आहे? A is not equal to B and phi is not equal to 90 degree. That is, two sides of oblique lattice are not equal and also they are not at right angle with each other. Unit cell can be shown here. Unit cell of oblique lattice can be shown here. Okay. Then second type, square lattice. In square lattice, square माहित आहे तुम्हाला, two sides are equal also at right angle with each other. That is, condition is nothing but A is equal to B and phi equal to 90 degree. A equal to P and phi equal to 90 degree. Unit cell can be shown here. Unit cell of square lattice can be shown here. Third, rectangular lattice. In rectangular lattice, two sides are not equal, but side A is greater than B. Okay, condition बघा काय आहे? Two sides are not equal, but they are at right angle with each other, and first is greater than second side. Okay, that is, A is not equal to B, but A is greater than B and phi equal to 90 degree. Unit cell of rectangular lattice can be shown here. A कसा आहे? मोठी आहे B पेक्षा. Okay, then we see fourth type, that is centered rectangular lattice. चौथा टाइप कोणता? तर centered rectangular lattice ची कंडिशन काय आहे? दोन्ही साइड्स इक्वल नाही, परंतु कसा? A is less than B. Rectangular मध्ये A is greater than B, here A is less than B, and but they are at right angle with each other. Unit cell shown here. Okay, this A side, this B side, any angle between them is 90 degree. That is, two are at right angle with each other. And fifth type, hexagonal lattice. In hexagonal lattice, two sides are equal. That is, A equal to B, and the angle between them is 120 degree. Phi equal to 120 degree. A equal to B and phi equal to 120 degree. Unit cell can be shown here. These are the 2D Bravais lattices. There is total 5. Two-dimensional Bravais lattices are 5. That are nothing but oblique lattice, square lattice, rectangular lattice, centered rectangular lattice, and hexagonal lattice. Now we see 3D Bravais lattices. Three-dimensional Bravais lattices. Okay, in three-dimensional Bravais lattices, there are total 14 lattice types. There are total 14 lattice types, which are known as 14 types of Bravais lattices. Also, these 14 types are grouped into 7 crystal types. 7 crystal types, which is known as 7 crystal system. Broad question असायचा 7 crystal system किंवा 3 dimensional Bravais lattices. याच्यावरती नेहमी ब्रॉड क्वेश्चन असायचा. ओके, बघा, in 3 dimension there are 14 different lattice types which are followed as 14 types of Bravais lattices. These 14 lattice types are grouped into 7 crystal types, is known as 7 crystal system. Now we see 7 crystal system. This 7 crystal system is described with the help of cube edges A, B, C. या ठिकाणी 3 बाजू असतात क्यूबला, cube edges A, B, C and the interfacial angles between them, that is alpha, beta and gamma. बघा, the 7 crystal system is described with the help of 3 crystallographic axes A, B, C and the interfacial angles between them, that is alpha, beta, gamma. The 7 crystal types are nothing but, we know that the 7 crystal types are triclinic, monoclinic, orthorhombic, trigonal, cubic, tetragonal and hexagonal. These 7 crystal types are nothing but triclinic, monoclinic, orthorhombic, trigonal, which is also known as a rhombohedral, cubic, tetragonal and hexagonal. Okay. Now we see one by one these 7 crystal system. First we see first type, triclinic lattice. Triclinic lattice. Triclinic lattice is divided into only one type, that is simple triclinic. Triclinic lattice is divided into only one type, that is simple triclinic. हा P symbol simple साठी मी दाखवतोय. Triclinic lattice is divided into only one type, that is simple triclinic. Okay. In triclinic lattice, there are only 8 atoms at the 8 corners of the cube. Unit cell of triclinic lattice contains only 8 atoms at the 8 corners of the cube. Okay. Triclinic lattice मध्ये काय असतात, हे 4 atoms आणि हे 4 atoms. There are only 8 atoms at the 8 corners of the cube. Okay. Then in this lattice, the crystallographic axes are not equal. Sorry, the C pahiye. The crystallographic axes are not equal. That is, A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Also, 3 interfacial angles between them are not equal and also they are not at right angle with each other. म्हणजे condition कशी आहे बघा, A is not equal to B is not equal to C, alpha is not equal to beta is not equal to gamma is not equal to 90 degree. Okay, the unit cell can be shown here. A, B, C, 3 axes, both are different. Alpha angle, beta, gamma, both are different. Also, they are not at right angle with each other. Unit cell can be shown here. It contains only 8 atoms at the 8 corners of the cube. It's nothing but simple triclinic. Okay, examples are nothing but potassium dichromate, that is K2Cr2O7. Second, sessolide, that is S3BO3. Next example, albite. Then petrol, molecular formula, petrolचा CuSO4, IUS2O. This is about triclinic lattice. Then we see second lattice, that is monoclinic lattice. Monoclinic lattice is divided into 2 types, that is simple monoclinic and base-centered monoclinic. Okay, it is divided into 2 types, simple monoclinic and base-centered monoclinic. आता simple मध्ये काय, वरती definition सांगितल्याप्रमाणे there are only 8 atoms at the 8 corners of the cube. But in base-centered monoclinic, in addition to 8 corners atoms, there is 2 extra atoms. One at the center of the top surface and one at the center of the bottom surface. काय म्हणतोय बघा, बेस सेंटरची डेफिनेशन, in addition to 8 corners atoms, there is 2 extra atoms, one at the center of the top surface and one at the center of the bottom. Okay, both the types are described with the help of this condition, that is A is not equal to B is not equal to C. That is, in monoclinic lattice or both the types of monoclinic lattice, all the sides are not equal. all the sides are not equal, but one side is at right angle with other two sides. That is alpha equal to gamma equal to 90 degree, but beta is not equal to 90 degree. काय कंडिशन बघा, लक्षात ठेवायचे ह्या कंडिशन. A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Alpha equal to gamma equal to 90 degree, but beta is not equal to 90 degree. The unit cell can be shown as these are the unit cells of monoclinic lattice. पहिली कुठली? Simple monoclinic. It contains only 8 atoms at the 8 corners of the cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 आणि तिन्ही साइड डिफरंट. That is A, B, C. आणि दोन अँगल इक्वल आहेत. अल्फा इक्वल टू काय आहे कंडिशन त्याची? अल्फा इक्वल टू गॅमा. दॅट इज इक्वल टू बीटा इज नॉट इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री. म्हणजे दोन बाजू कशा दाखवलेत? अल्फा हा अल्फा आणि हा गॅमा. गॅमा काय आहे? वेगळा आहे. हे दोन. ओके. अल्फा कसा आहे? ऍट राईट अँगल विथ दिस टू, बीटा आणि गॅमाला. ओके. आणि बेस सेंटर मोनोक्लिनिक कॉर्नरचे 8 ॲटम आहेत आणि दोन एक्स्ट्रा. दॅट इज 1 ॲट द सेंटर ऑफ टॉप and 1 at the center of bottom. Okay. Examples are nothing but borax. Molecular formula Na2B4O7 10H2O, and second example rhyolite, that is Na3AlF6. Okay. Now we see third type, orthorhombic. Orthorhombic lattice is divided into 4 types. Orthorhombic lattice is divided into 4 types that are nothing but simple orthorhombic, base centered orthorhombic, body centered orthorhombic and face centered orthorhombic. आता सिंपल ऑर्थोरॉम्बिक मध्ये 8 कॉर्नर्स atoms. बेस मध्ये in addition to 8 corners atoms, there are 2 extra atoms, one at the center of the top surface and one at the center of the bottom. Body center, in addition to 8 corner atoms, there is one extra atom at the center of the body. And face center, in addition to corner atoms, there are 6 extra atoms. That is 1 at the center of each surface. 1 at the center of each surface. Unit cells, all the unit cells can be described by using this condition. That is A is not equal to B is not equal to C. That is in all 4 types, the axes are not equal. Cubaces are not equal, but they are at right angle with each other. But they are at right angle with each other. That is A is not equal to B is not equal to C, but alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to 90 degree. This can be shown here. A simple कोणता? There is base center. आता बघा सिंपल मध्ये तिन्ही बाजू वेगळ्या. That is A, B, C. परंतु तिन्ही अँगल सारखे आहेत. That is alpha equal to beta equal to gamma 90 degree आणि राईट अँगल आहेत. That is alpha, alpha, alpha. हा बेस सेंटर. बॉडीला काय? In addition to corner atoms, there is one extra atom at the center of the body. आणि फेसला काय? In addition to corner atoms, there are 6 extra atoms. One at the center of each face. म्हणजे खालच्या बॉटमचा, टॉपचा, साईडचा सरफेस, पुढचा सरफेस आणि हा पाठीमागचा सरफेस. म्हणजे 2, 4 आणि हे 6 extra atoms. That is in face-centered orthorhombic structure. Examples are nothing but celestine. Example of orthorhombic lattice is celestine. Molecular formula SnSO4. Then we see 4th type, trigonal, which is also known as the rhombohedral, and there is only one type of trigonal lattice, that is simple trigonal. In simple trigonal lattice, all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal, but not right angle. There is A equal to B equal to C. All the sides are equal. Alpha equal to beta equal to gamma. That is angles are equal, but not right angle. That is not equal to 90 degree. Condition is A equal to B equal to C. Alpha equal to beta equal to gamma is not equal to 90 degree. And unit cell, this is unit cell. Okay. Alpha, 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 A, परंतु right angle नाही. Example, quartzite, calcite crystals. Okay. This is about that is a trigonal or a rhombohedral lattice. Okay. Then we see 5th type, cubic. या ठिकाणी आपण थांबू आणि परत बघू.